Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Wholesome Living with Star. If you are new here, my name is Star and I'm a holistic nutritionist. And on this channel, we explore delicious healthy meals, wellness tips and natural ways to nourish our bodies. Today, I'm so excited because we are making something absolutely delicious, nutritious and protein packed. It's lentils moi moi. Yes, you heard that right. We are giving the classic moi moi a healthy twist using lentils, and trust me, this recipe is flavorful, filling and so worth trying. Now, if you've never cooked lentils before, you're missing out on a powerhouse ingredient. Lentils are loaded with plant-based protein, fiber, iron, folate, and essential nutrients that support energy, digestion, heart health, and even weight management. They help keep you full for a longer time, support gut health, and can be an amazing option if you're trying to eat healthier and cut back on processed foods. And the best part? Lentils are incredibly versatile. You can make them into moi moi, soups, stews, salad, lentils burger, curries, veggies, wraps, healthy dips, and even add them to your rice dishes as extra protein and texture. Whether you're a vegetarian, trying to eat clean, or simply looking for budget-friendly, nutritious meals, lentils deserve a spot in your kitchen. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to transform these simple lentils into a soft, flavorful, mouth-watering moi moi that your whole family will love. So, if that sounds good to you, grab your ingredients, get comfortable, and let's start cooking. Before we get into the cooking though, let me take this time to remind you not to forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on your post notification, and share this video with someone who loves healthy homemade meals. Let's make healthy eating simple and delicious. Now, enough talk. Let's get into it, shall we?
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest.
The first ingredient on my list, which is the main ingredient, is lentils. I love to use red lentils because I love the color that it gives the moi moi. Also, I love the texture it gives the moi moi as well because it comes out very soft and very smooth as well. First, I'm going to give this a rinse. It is advisable to rinse this under running water, or at least rinse it until the water runs clear. Next, I'm going to cover this and let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours, or preferably overnight. This is 12 hours after, and the lentils have doubled in size. Now, for the rest of the ingredients that we're going to be using. First is corned beef. This gives additional protein to the food. I'm also going to be using mackerel. For the spices, I have bullion. I also have some ground crayfish, garlic powder, seasoning mix, adobo seasoning, Scotch bonnet pepper, and olive oil. I'm going to list the exact measurements of all the ingredients in the description. I'm going to start by lightly steaming the fish. I'm going to be using some salt, some water, and some of the chicken bouillon. While that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and blend the rest of the ingredients. Two more ingredients that we're going to be using for this lentils moi moi is red bell pepper and onions. To blend this, I'm going to be using a cup of water. I'm also going to be adding water depending on the consistency that I want. Now this is fully blended and this is the consistency that you want to have. With the mackerel fish fully cooked, I'm going to go ahead and take away every visible bone. One thing you don't want to have in your moi moi is tiny bits of bones. If you're not using mackerel fish, feel free to skip this part. One way to ensure that you get all the bones out is to break the fish apart. Now I'm going to go ahead and mash it all together before adding it to the batter. I'm going to proceed to add the rest of the ingredients and spices. I noticed that the consistency is thicker than what I would love, so I'm going in with additional water. Now there are many ways that you can make your moi moi. You can use these ramekin bowls, Some people love to use leaves called etere leaves, or better still, foil paper or foil containers. Whichever one you choose gives you the exact same result. Now to cook this moi moi, there are different ways you can cook it. You can bake it in the oven, you can steam it like I'm doing in the pot. I'm going to add some water to the pot and then add the bowls. Cover it and let it cook. This is expected to cook for at least 45 minutes. "45 minutes after, our delicious lentils moi moi is ready. This moi moi is packed with lots of flavor. It is packed with lots of fiber, lots of protein. It is soft and it's absolutely delicious. In a typical African home, moi moi is used for breakfast, and you can have it with pap, with oats, or with custard. Have you ever tried this before? What did you have it with? Let me know in the comments. Alright friends, just like that, our delicious lentils moi moi is ready. I hope this inspires you to try lentils in a new way, because healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or boring. If you are going to try this recipe, let me know in the comments. Have you ever made moi moi with lentils before? Or would you try it? I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more healthy recipes, wellness tips, and easy homemade meals. Also, check out our next video right here if you love to see simple, nourishing recipes just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.